Nyame sham. Yata mochi, motumenta machi. Aduma na den, ya be ye. Hey, konkola na be wow. Yakubu sham. What I say, Ogidi. Chama ba ko Ogidi. Hey. OGIDI Ogidi. Nyame sham. Ono se na di aduma ni gum mamu he. Enti mo echa. Na makodi am, makodi am. Nyame sham nyina. Ana men kama mo. Okay, but we I want to buy no. We na account. Let me read for us. I say YouTube. Do you remember your first subscriber? You are 100. TH what do you? TH what do you? TH what for your account? You're
100,000.
Okay. Do you remember your first subscriber? You are 100,000.
You're 100.
You're 100.
Nipano Dika subscriber it 100.
Okay. You know. Let me start again.
Yeah.
YouTube for saying. I would know. Do you remember your first subscriber? You are 100K, or you are 100,000 subscriber. Chances are you do, and we know that you definitely remember you are 100K subscribers. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learning about you. Truly a friend or fans staying and their numbers increase because of your inquiry voice. Uniguai for ba. Uniguai voice. Kwame, e woni be.
Today.
Ya be ka be bi na kwasia. You oh okay. Hey, you guys. Unique voice and a statement and a statement of being part, right? Of the growing community that you are established. We are
Chilled.
You are training to see you are trained. You are trained to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Awards. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your community and creativity. Oh no, that's me. So keep creating, keep building. We can wait to see what you do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your million subscriber, we may just write. We just write to you and ask, do you remember you are 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely. Susan Wajigi, CEO of YouTube. I brought me that say interior. Chama, Kwadwo Nkansah.